Sanibonani guys. So namhlanje we are focusing on electrotechnics and 6 Hopkinson. Yeah, ligama linzima. In Hopkinson back-to-back test. So here the circuit le nibona la is circuit ya Hopkinson for a back-to-back test. So into engizonibhalela yona la ukuthi how does it flow, how does ama-current flow and how does it works, then how tell you ama-formulas esinawo to calculate efficiency. Remember ukuthi most of the time chapter 1 we are calculating efficiency. So even here we are calculating the efficiency, and so I'll try ngithi ngizonibhalela ukuthi ama-formulas wala ahamba kanjani and ama-current akhona and the current yakhona ahamba kanjani. So in this case here we are having I1 I2 and here we are having I1. So in this I1 uza ngapha and I2 uza ngapha. This is our voltage, voltage. Then this is our RF at imoto, because now we're having an imoto and here we're having a generator. And remember each imoto it receives in the power and imoto yenza generator yenza ikhipha ipower, which means ngamanye amagama here kumele i-current ize ngapha, which means nangapha kumele ize ngapha. Le part le izoza ngapha i-current yakhona bese nale iza ngapha. Here kuba ne-junction elona. So here we are having I1 plus I2. I2 which is zoba ibaphi ilaba boyi2 lapha. So ngapha we are having ubani IFM and ngapha we are having ubani IAM. So le bundle leli nilibona la, le bundle leli lichaza ukuthini, it is a RAC elihlanganisa in, which means lichaza ukuthini, lichaza ukuthi imoto i-current enayo for i-armature, which means the generator izoba nani, izoba ne-current yakhona, izofana i-current yakhona, which means ama-current akhona azofana when it comes to i-armature, not ama-field. Le part le yani yama-field le yini i-armature, which means le bundle lichaza ukuthi i-resistance enginayo la ne-resistance enginayo la izofana. I hope sazwana. So here we are having ubani IAG, and remember ukuthi ikhipha ipower le, so which means ilona izoya kuphi, izoya phezulu nangapha iye kuphi, iye phezulu, and if no direction no, even here nangapha izoya ngapha, which means the current comes from here IAG when we are having ubani lapha RA lapha ya for in i-generator. But remember ukuthi RAG is equals to RAM, bese ngapha we are having ubani IFG, kuzoba yini i-field yakuphi eyaku-generate when we are having a resistance field of in i-generator. So most of the time ama-current amaningi bazokunika la, but you know ukuthi you have to kwenzani u-result ngokuthini, uwafune wonke kuqala, uwafuna wonke kuqala ama-current onawo la, then after that you calculate whatever that is needed. So mawubheka laphaya I2 I1 plus I2 lo, yabona ngimfaka kuma-brackets ibaphi ilabaya, it is equals to ubani I1 plus I2. I know ukuthi it doesn't make sense, but izo make sense njengoba, because this one it's one thing, it is the sum of lama current lawa laphaya. That's why ngiwafaka kuphi ngama-brackets. These things azifani but ziyafana, yabo zinento eyi-one, because it's either you can use this one, you can use lama current lawa ukuthi uthole le current lena, or you can use the current le, or either of this one ukuze uthole i-current eyi-one. Bese remember ukuthi ubani I1 plus I2 loya ngikhuluma ngalo mawubona I1 no I2 bakuma brackets, ngikhuluma ngobani ngalo I1 plus I2 loya, not these ones, bese izoba ubani, is equals to IFM plus IAM ilaba ya IFM nobani no IAM. Bese siza ngapha sisi nobani sino IAG, it is equals to I1, remember to I1 loyana plus IFG. I hope sazwana. Ama-current lawo ozobe wafuna kuqala immediately vele mawungena vele ufuna ini ama-current wakhona, and remember ukuthi ngithini, ngisi ubani RAM, it is equals to RAG, which is results ubani RAC. Lo RAC lo uzongithola ilona leya, which means ngine-arrow kanje yokuthi these things zenzani, ziyalingana. So siyadlula mawuqeda ukucalculate ama-current wakho uzoyenzani, uzodrawa i-table for imoto. Remember ukuthi unani unemoto and une-generator nangapha, so which means we are having ini ama-losses wakhona ila esiwenza ngayo in i-table la. So in this part we are drawing in i-table here. So le table leli sizoba nani nemoto, bese ngapha sibe nani ne-generator, siba ne-generator ngapha. So I'll try ukuthi ngibhale ini i-table. So in this part ke ilona lokuqala kuzoba yini? Kuzoba yi-shunt field losses. I-losses. It is equals to I-FM for imoto multiply by terminal voltage, which kuzoba i-voltage le laphaya yokuqala le. Kuzoba i-voltage lezo abazobe bakunika yona. So into le ozobe wenzani uyifuna laphaya. Or ungathi uzoba nobani no IF squared multiply by RFM kanje mangabe ufuna ini i-shunt field bese ke like le table le ngidraw la uzolisebenzisa kwenzani ukucalculate uma ungalidrawanga angazi mina ngizathi usuke wenzeni uma ungalidrawanga angazi uzolidrawa uma ucalculate amalona. So ngapha for ilona sizoba nani futhi still ngapha sine shunt field losses which kuzoba ubani u-IGM multiply by terminal voltage, or we can IFG squared RFG, not IE, RFG kanje. So which means sizorula kanje, sizorula bese ke siba nani ne-armature yakhona. Remember ukuthi besifuna i-field safuna nani ne-armature. So which means manje sifuna armature copper losses, which kuzoba ubani u-IAM squared RAC. Remember RAC is equals to RAG is equals to RAM. Yeah. So which means kuzoba ubani lana u-armature copper loss nakhona. Copper losses is equals to IAG squared no RAC. So itable lakho liyaphelela la. Futhi first step ucalculate ini ama-current, second step ucalculate ini ucalculate using this table la calculator lapha. Third step uma ucalculate lapha uzofuna ini the power in. Then uma ucalculate power in kuzoba bani u-VIA2. Remember ukuthi i-voltage yethu iphuma kuphi ku-IA2 lapha. So which means the power in izophuma from kuphi ngapha. So sizofuna ini i-power in. Leyo power in le next step yakhona sizofuna ini? Sizofuna i-total copper loss. Sizofuna i-total copper losses. Ngamanye amagama ngi-total copper losses, which means ngihlanganisa wonke lamalona, ngihlanganisa ini ama-losses ewimoto plus ama-losses ewi-generator. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi sizoba nani ne-shunt field, the IFM multiply by uV plus no IAM squared RAC plus no IGM multiply by uV plus IAG no IAG squared RAC. Uzowahlanganisa wonke. Remember ukuthi le part le 1, le part le yani yemoto le plus le part le yani e-generator, which means uzowahlanganisa total copper losses or total copper losses. Into esingayisho lo, yeah, into esingayisho ukuthi lo bese ke ufuna ini? Ufuna i-ion and friction, ion and friction windage, or IF. Sometimes bathi IF, sometimes bathi IW. So which means sizosebenzisa IW in this loan. So bese bathini total losses slow singebhale singithi INF losses total it is equals to bani u-P in minus total copper losses. Remember ukuthi no IF total uzoba nobani total copper losses, then u-IL each sichaza ukuthi for each motor, for each armature kuzoba yini, for each ngathini for each armature, which means uzoba no I and F losses each, which means uthola ubani I and F losses total divide by u2, which means yonke lento uzoyenza uzoyidivide ngo-2. Then after that wenzani, ufuna i-efficiency. That's all nje about ini Hobson-Kins. So uzofuna i-efficiency, then kuzoba i-efficiency of ini imoto, it is equals to 1 minus 3 losses. 3 losses multiplied by V into I1 plus I2 multiplied by 100%. Remember ukuthi le efficiency lesi sithatha kuphi from ilona remember ukuthi i-video le ngitshengisa ukuthi ama-video lezi, these ones, these things zibuya from kuphi. Yeah, zibuya from kuphi these things. If I understand, go back kuma-videos ubheke lapho ukuthi sikhuluma ngani masikhuluma ngala ma-efficiency kanje. Then we are having n for ini i-generator. I-generator, it is equals to V times IL 1 all over V IL, no, IL1, as in I1. Remember ukuthi generating ngakuphi, ingale ngakulona, ingale ngaku yeah, ngale on the right hand side mawubheke le video. So which means uba no I1 plus 3 losses multiplied by 100%. Into engayisho le. Then we are having in the formula for efficiency when they are equal. When they are equal efficiency, mabathi equal efficiency, which means uzosebenzisa le formula le. Mabathi equal efficiency into ozoyisebenzisa ikhe. So which means uzoba nobani, no I1 all over I1 plus I2 all multiplied by 100% kanje. Then which means we are done. Mawulandelela ama-step lawo wonke, ayikho equation ye-Hobson-Kins or in Hopkinsons, Hopkinsons back to back test ozoyifeyila mangabe ulandele the way ngiwasho ngakhona. So in this part le, remember ukuthi le part le yani ye-efficiency, and efficiency they can ask either imoto or a generator, which means motor and a generator. But this one the parts le bayibuza kuma questions when they are equal, when the motors, when amalona it's either azoba equal efficiency, in an equal efficiency, which means usebenzisa leya formula leya. So I hope sazwana. So if uthandile ukubonile or anything else or uthandile, subscribe and like, uphinde usharele nabangani bakho abathanda ukufunda njengawe. Asibonge.